Hello, everybody. Welcome to Double Brother Movies Ocean. The water cycle.
The water cycle. Okay, so let's have a look first.
Stop. Stop.
Okay. Okay, we can. Okay. But first of all, let's have a look at what the water cycle is. So, I mean, that's a huge global water cycle. That's a huge depiction of it. Let's see if there's a simpler one. Overall, this is the Wikipedia one. Video of the Earth's water cycle. Should we try to look at that? That's NASA. That's yeah, from the North American Space Agency.
Sorry. Yeah.
Let's see if it
No,
works.
that's right. No,
NASA. Let's have a look at this.
And so
they're seeing it from space. So all the water that we have on Earth is all the water that has ever existed. Yeah. So we're seeing the Earth from space now.
Looking at our Earth, it appears as though there is an abundance of water for our use. However, only a small portion of Earth's water is accessible for our needs. How much fresh water exists?
And that's the Caspian Sea.
That's my name.
Yeah. Kashi is somewhere here.
Kashi's there. Okay.
It's a blue marble, yeah. So there's not much fresh water, is there? Something we learned. I didn't know there's only 3% fresh water. Yes, having trouble.
The water cycle is dynamic.
Let's just try from here. Yeah, sorry, sometimes the video is taken. Do it from here. Sometimes it just needs to buffer.
Caps, snowpacks, and glaciers, making it inaccessible for long periods of time.
Again. Great. Okay, so liquid gas, let's just take that. The 3 states. Evaporate.
The water cycle is dynamic. It describes the continuous movement of water on, above, and below the surface of the Earth, and the transitions from one state to another.
There's precipitation, which is rain.
The surface temperature, surface winds, and air temperature influence the rate of evaporation at the ocean surface. In the tropics, warm ocean surface temperatures support high rates of evaporation.
Then you have
wind also increases evaporation.
Precipitation. And what's the other one?
When the air's temperature is warmer, it can hold more water. While the atmosphere does not store a large quantity of water compared to the ocean, rivers, and lakes, it can transport water quickly from one place to another.
You know that water, especially in lakes and
low-lying regions of the atmosphere with high moisture and strong winds can form atmospheric rivers to transport water horizontally.
Cycle becomes salt, and the salt goes into the sea.
Clouds of
sea salt.
Water vapor cools and condenses.
See crystal, and then grind it, and then all that.
Exactly. So hang on a minute. I'm just going to get.
So just to make salt, it takes a lot of things.
Yeah.
I made salt before. Yeah, I made salt before. I got a salt. Mama, you once gave me two salt crystals, and I grinded them into real salt.
Do you remember from the other video we watched? What was it? You have evaporation, and then
condensation,
and then precipitation, which is anything that's coming out of the clouds. So it's like rain or snow
or hail or
sleet
or
what's going on with this?
Or snow.
Yep.
Condenses into droplets and ice crystals.
That's condensation.
Clouds and water vapor act as insulators in the atmosphere.
Yeah.
Clouds help shield the Earth from the sun and trap heat from below. When cloud particles grow large enough, they may fall out as rain or snow. Under the right conditions, areas of precipitation can grow into large storms.
Large storms.
As storms grow, They transfer heat vertically into the upper atmosphere. Migration of storms
that's
helps
also-
distribute heat between the equator and poles,
No.
shaping wind patterns.
My sparkling idea to make
How storms grow and intensify depends on atmospheric moisture, surface temperatures, and wind patterns. Precipitation is concentrated in some parts of the world and scarce in others. It can vary substantially from season to season and
Yeah.
from year
Let's
to
just
year.
have a look at this so everyone can
Water
know
that
what
falls
they
on
might
the
be.
land surface as precipitation is stored
Yeah.
within snowpacks, lakes, reservoirs, soils, and underground aquifers.
Yeah, underground water is also underground groundwater. Can you see that's our Earth?
Water availability
It's
varies
mostly
from
water,
place
isn't
to
it?
place
I cannot
and over
do
time.
the worst.
Yeah.
The availability of water affects the type and abundance of vegetation, the primary source of food for animals and people.
Next year, okay.
Extreme water cycle variability, unusually dry or wet conditions,
Yeah.
impacts humans worldwide.
Okay.
Each year, hazards such as floods exact a costly
Floods, that's also something.
economic and human toll.
Okay.
Ah. Oh,
The river. Another river.
Most of the water
Can you
that falls
see
onto land
most of the
remains
flood?
stored there for
No.
weeks
Is it
or
mostly
more.
blue or green? Stop. And can you see that snow? Look at the snow.
Snowfall is stored as
That's
snowpack
precipitation.
or ice. Meltwater and rainfall are stored in lakes and soils.
you
Some of
broke
the water is absorbed by plant roots or drains into the water table.
You make it colder, yeah.
Yeah, if you blow
And
it,
there's runoff.
Eventually, the water will evaporate to the atmosphere
if they
or return to the ocean in streams and rivers, providing a source of nutrient-rich water that supports
Yeah, look,
ocean
that's
life.
the river, the
Sensors on a suite of NASA satellites observe and measure water on land, in the ocean, and in the
yeah,
atmosphere.
yeah. I mean,
These measurements are important to understanding the availability and distribution of Earth's water, which
Yeah.
is both vital to life and vulnerable to the impacts of climate change and a growing world population.
can you see that our planet is mostly water? So why is it called Earth then?
isn't it called Blur?
Worth, yeah.
Get it?
What? Worth. Yeah, so
Worth.
that's oops. Can you see it? Ah, here we go, Caspi. This is it. So we have, where's evaporation? Here's evaporation, yeah? Evaporation. Let's start with that. Something evaporates. So we can do a little experiment. Can you, I've got some water here. Look, oh, I've got still got water here. So let's do, so, oh, Kashi, stop it.
I'm
Don't hurt me.
moving.
So just wait.
Because we have
Okay. If you want to do you first, okay, hang on a minute. Kashi, sit down. Then you have to sit down if you want to be. Kashi wants to go first this time, so
big trip.
okay, Kashi wants to go first, he said. So let's see if he does it. But Caspi, you can still be here because I want to show you.
Can
Show you.
you give me some?
Can you see where evaporation is here? So, can you come, Caspi? Come. Can you come in? Don't waste tissues. Come here. No, I said Caspi, come here first. You could. Okay. Okay. Well, you can see it happening here. Look, this water here is evaporating, yeah, and it will dry eventually. Okay, because it's quite a hot day. Caspi, you. So come on, just do that. I will do that. I will do that. Just look at this diagram, please, so that you can help to draw it. This is the evaporation. Yep. And then where's condensation? They don't have condensation here, but you know that condensation, it goes into clouds, yeah? And then precipitation is rain, snow, hail, yeah? And then it goes again. There's runoff as well, but it goes again. There's also percolation and things like that and transpiration, but we'll go through. Oh, here's another one. So you can see that. So you have a picture of the land. I remember when I was a kid, like learning about the water cycle, it's always picture of the land and a mountain and the sea and clouds. So do you think you can make up your own diagram? It doesn't have to have those things, but
Look.
yeah. So what have you done, Kashi? Do you want to explain that one?
Look. That is the earth.
Okay, hang on.
The
It's a
water.
very nice one. Let me just change the camera so you can see.
So this is the earth you
Oh,
see.
yeah.
It's like you draw some more. That and like that. So you draw blue. Blue sea.
Okay,
that.
so Cash is drawing the Earth.
Yeah.
So you're doing the grand global water
Then-
cycle.
What about some
You're saying.
nice?
I like yours, Cashy. So Earth is mostly blue, isn't it?
Yeah. It's mostly blue, not so much green.
Yeah, green is the land. And I learned that only 3% of all water is fresh water. So
Yeah,
that's not
it
very
is.
much at all, isn't it? That's why we have to save water. And what they mean by saving water and not using so much in the shower or bath is because it takes time to process it. That's what you're doing.
It's like this. So if somebody's tummy very like a ball, that looks like. No wonder sometimes I get cold water when I'm in the shower. It's like if somebody's tummy is so big, that means I think it's gonna be. I think it means their tummy is.
The tummy is the Earth. So big tummy. Well, do you know the water cycle, Cassie? Do you know on the Earth, water, if it's something like this happens, what will happen to this eventually? Will it stay wet forever? Or will it dry? What do you think, Cassie?
Well, a big water will, the sea water won't dry, and normal water will dry.
That's right, actually. That's a good point. Seawater doesn't dry out, does it? But normal water here dries. Because you remember this we did last week? We put lots of water there. And it was very wet last week, wasn't it? But now it's dry.
Yeah.
Do you know why? It evaporated. Can you say evaporation?
I only know, what's that word?
Can you say evaporation, Kashi?
Evaporation.
Yeah, that's the water drying. And then
Oh, look, I did spots here and I did that. And now it gets bigger and it goes through.
And then after evaporation, do you know what happens? The water vapor goes in the air and then it condenses into clouds. You know clouds? Do you remember what clouds look like, Kashi?
They look like they're white.
Can you draw me a cloud? Actually, draw me a cloud.
A cloud.
After the water vapor evaporates, it condenses. It gets. All the little particles of water go together. They make friends. They make friends. They make friends, and they go into a cloud. Oh, that's a very good cloud, and that's a cloud. Can you say condensation? Condensation. Yes. So that all the water droplets condense into a cloud.
Dry water. You found dry tissue, and you put wash handles on it. It turns wet with its water.
So that's a very good cloud drawing. What happens to clouds? What do clouds sometimes bring us?
They break into pieces and they make new clouds.
They can make new clouds. Oh yeah, they can drift apart. And they also, what falls from clouds?
And sometimes when you drive in a car, you see a cloud and you see again the same cloud because it's moving with the car.
That's right. Clouds can move. What falls from clouds, Kashi? Do you know?
Sometimes it's gone when you don't see it for a long time.
Do you know what falls from clouds?
What?
What falls from clouds? What comes down from clouds? Like this. It goes pitter patter, pitter patter.
What is it?
What falls from clouds?
I don't know.
Rain and snow and hail and sleet, which is like wet snow. Can you draw some rain? Can you draw rain?
What about wet sand?
No, sand doesn't fall from clouds, I don't think. Can you draw some rain here, please, Kashi?
Who made the sea?
But it's.
Yeah.
I
mean,
can I help
who
you?
made the beach?
Can I help you draw fossils? Can I help you draw the rain?
In
draw some rain.
50 years, there were people in the world. In 150 people, there were no people in the world.
Can you say precipitation?
Can
you say precipitation?
Precipitation. It's like water, and you put dry tissue on it, and you put washing hand water on it, on the dry tissue. you scramble it up and you can do any shape you like to do.
Can I draw you some snowflakes as well?
And sometimes it breaks into like half when you pull it.
I know what you can do, boys. You can cut the snowflake. I know you're very good at that. So anyway, let's say,
Snowflake.
well, you can make it from here. You can cut out. That's I'm going to give you some white paper. We'll make some snowflakes. You wait there and see. You can make some. Yeah.
I don't know what I make. Snowflake. Okay. I need to make it. Okay. Okay, Katie's going to make a snowflake. How do I make a how can you make a snowflake in the little How do I make it? I don't know how to make snowflake.
Don't worry, I'm going to help you, silly baby.
Don't give me the little.
Look, I'm showing you this one. Look here, Kashi. Okay, I'm going to demonstrate the snowflake. Can I have my scissors, please?
Mama, you got scissors right here.
No, can I have the other ones that were here, please?
I'll just give you.
No, can I have the other ones, please? So the first thing to do is fold everything. So then you know I'll let that dry, evaporate. And we'll do Kathy's one first, then we'll do your one.
That was it.
Okay, I'll do one here.
I just forgot. Can you fold it for me?
Yeah, hang on a minute.
You fold it for me.
Okay, so first we need a square.
Remember,
Make our own. No, okay. So that means we have to make this paper into a square first. Let me just test it on that one. Small one. Okay, so I've got a square bit of paper. And I fold it in half. Fold it in half again. And I think it's connected to this side here. So you need to make the snowflake here. So we need to make the, before we do, let me test it out, okay?
I'll cut.
You can cut it, but I just want to test it. Casper, do you want to watch and I show you? Okay.
Blah, 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 blah,
I know. Okay, but, oh, 1 second, boys. Okay, don't touch it. Okay, now I've got my piece of paper. Let's do an experiment to see if this works, and if it works, you can do it. So I fold it again, and I fold it again, yeah. And then on this side, is the one that I have to cut out. So if I draw some kind of pattern. Any pattern. Like that. And I cut everything out. We're going to, can I cut just as an experiment, and then I'll let you do your own entirely from scratch. I just have to see if it works first.
Can you do the little one? It's very easy on the little.
Yeah, can I just do this one first, please? I think it works.
I don't know the little way.
This is the same way as mine, sweetie.
Can you do the little way?
Yes, I am doing it. There's only one way that this works, because there's one way it doesn't work and it does work.
Can I do it myself on the little way folding it?
Okay, but they're exactly the same. But there is only one way it can be, sweetie. Shall we just, Kashi, just can you wait and just see if this works? If it doesn't work, we'll go and look it up, okay? Because I think this is it.
It'll be big.
Yeah, then it has to have a bigger piece of paper.
You remember the little way it should be big.
So then you can have this one.
The little way is only an experiment. You'll get a big one.
Exactly. Thank you, Caspian.
I won't.
Okay,
I'll never.
this is here. And now I'm gonna take it apart. And yeah, I think this is gonna work because it's on the spine of it. Let me take it, fold it in half. Yeah, fold it in half again. Yeah, it worked. And there we go. There we have our snowflake. So I can tell you the secret. The secret has to be on the spine of here. So when you do your drawing,
It needs to be like that.
yes, but this is even easier.
Can I show to be a small snowflake, big,
Okay.
big.
Okay. No, Caspi, not now. Cassie, can I show you?
Can I do it?
Yes, you can draw it from here, but this is the spine of it. You draw whatever you like, but this is where you, okay. No, Cassie, it won't work like that. I want it to work for you first time, otherwise you'll be very upset. Now it has to be, this is the spine. You have to keep this. Cassie, let me show you. This one, you cannot cut from here, okay? You can cut from out here. You can do your design from here.
I just, oh,
Okay,
a
you,
bit
okay,
off.
okay, you do it yours.
Mine do it another way. I need to do it other way out. Not this way, that way.
Oh, okay, you do it your way, but if it doesn't work, then it's your fault, okay?
Look,
I'm not gonna.
but now I need to do this way, but I can't do that way. Why do you draw?
Because Kashi, there's only one way it will work. Can I show you? Can I explain? Let me explain to you. It has to be connected, yeah? Otherwise it might not work. You try it. Try it and see. Do your way. And then
No, I need it to be.
Casper, are you ready? Yeah.
That.
Okay. And then do you want to cut it out?
Yeah.
Can you cut it out here so they can see you? Very carefully cutting out your snowflake. How happy with my snowflake?
I'm not happy with your snowflake.
Okay. I like it. I think it works. Snowflake. Okay, let's have a look at yours. I think that would work. And it did work. But what did work is if you take it like this, then you've done this kind of snowflake. Because there you go. So can I explain to you then? If we cut any shape from here, we have to leave this as the spine. Yeah, you have to have something. So you can cut any shape you like. You can cut this one out here. You can cut this one out here. We will get. You can cut this one out here.
But I told you to do the low.
And then if we open this one here, watch what we get. We get a snowflake. Oh, there we go. Okay, you go and find the lullaby then. So anyway, that's what we've got 2 snowflakes. And now hang on. Okay, Caspi.
Kashi.
Okay, I will do that with you separately. First, let's get Caspi to do. Hey, Kashi. Okay, then I have to find it. In the meantime, it's Caspi's turn. Caspi, you can come here. I will do it with you separately. I will do it with you separately.
Please, I want the lullaby folding it.
I will do it with you separately. Come bring it here. We'll find Lila together, okay? Let Caspi do his thing. I will do it with you, I said, okay?
No. You won't.
Okay, Caspi, you can talk about evaporation, condensation, and precipitation. Okay, come on, Kashi, come here. Come here, Kashi. Kashi, you come here.
I like the snowflake.
Just wait.
Okay.
Just come on.
Do something with the experiment thing.
You do.
I'm going to do
This
my
experiment with.
I'll do my subject first.
Okay, sure, and then draw the last thing. No, not yet.
And the switch. So the water cycle goes from evaporation to condensation, and then the water that one's precipitation.
Precipitation.
Precipitation. No, Mama, no. I want that way. I want the other way. Precipitation. No. Precipitation. So condensation, precipitation. Thank you. I think I'll just go for a different paper or a different. I'll just go for this paper. I just get another piece of paper.
Okay, if I help you with the snowflake, you want to do a snowflake first.
Yeah. This is make it into a real proper square because without the.
It's all right because we're gonna cut it off. Sorry.
No, I just want to make it.
But you always have to do it like this, so it folds like this, and you can even get it more complicated. You can do like this. This is what Kashi meant actually. He meant like this. Can you see? And this is the spine. Yeah, so we just done another fold. Yeah, and this is the spine. Yeah, okay. So this one, do not cut this edge. You can only cut this edge. That's what I mean. Okay. So try that.
Okay,
so draw some.
make
Yes.
that into this.
Yes. Okay.
This isn't making it a real square without the corner.
Just draw along here then.
Okay, this is going to be the experiment one.
Okay.
Oh, the triangle. I keep on doing this, but I keep on can't do
Yeah, because there's a rectangle. Fine. This bit here, yeah. Okay.
Oh yeah, sometimes I just do it in the middle, like a triangle in the middle, because I know it'll become a diamond after. So I just do it with them.
Okay. I think yours is gonna work. Yeah, I'll try my best to cut it, but there you go. Okay.
Thank you. Actually, okay. Oh man. Here comes scissors. Okay, help me with the preparation. I need scissors. I think that's enough, I think.
Have you turned it out? And then do the big reveal here.
Not that amazing because it was only the experiment, but still not bad.
Yeah, there's a lot of cutting out from that edge. We fold it and we keep the spine here. So wherever the spine is, let's keep it. I did it wrong. Okay, this one here.
Yes.
That's the spine. That's the spine. That's the spine. Sorry, just do it along the spine. Can you see this spine here?
Yes.
You do not cut anything around that.
So I don't cut here.
No, you don't cut that.
I only cut here.
Yes.
What should I do? I think I'll just do this.
Yep.
Give me.
Bigger machine.
I'm gonna do that. I'm drawing the outlines and oh man, I'm going to cut out the. Actually, Mama, can you give me another one?
Can you use a small one?
Um, actually, can you also?
Just wait. Be very careful with those, please. Okay.
Da, 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 da.
Make you a spare one. It's okay. Then you can cut this one out as well. All right.
Okay. Just because this one is touching the spine.
All right. Yeah. Okay, this is your spine.
Just got the spine.
Okay, so that's why I have a tiny spine here. Just try and carry on with it, see what happens. You see the spine is here. This is a way to look at this is the spine, don't touch it. You have to give me some time to do that then. I will help you, but just let me help Caspi first. So you've had your turn. I don't want to look at so
I just did one little cut. Actually, maybe I should.
Can you show?
Maybe I should actually.
Show?
Can you listen to?
No, I think my way does work. Just yeah, Cash is also using it. We can do it after. We Caspi use these things. Just carry on. How does this work?
We could just keep.
Can I demonstrate for you? Let me demonstrate for you.
See?
Can you see? Watch Mama demonstrate, okay? You keep the spine intact. Yeah, this is the spine you can tell. This is the forward dodge. You just cut as many things as you want out of it, but you do not touch the spine. Okay? That's the main thing. Can you see what I'm doing? Caspi, can you see? I'm cutting as many shapes as I want, but just not touching the spine. So you've already done that shape.
Can you cut the things off?
Yes, I will do that. So what should we do?
Yeah, cut
We
it
can do something like that. Another shape here. That, yeah? So that can be the... Yeah, something like that. And then we can open it.
I'll cut this part off.
Okay, you can do that. Can you do it in front of them? You can do that. Okay, and then open it in front of them, see if it works. In front of them. And it should get you a
No, why don't I open it?
precipitated notebook.
Actually, 像窗花. That is a spot.
Okay, but then that's it. You got it. Okay, can you draw that now here? Can you draw the evaporation, condensation?
No.
Okay, I think this should be fine though. So you drew it the wrong way around, you see?
What?
You drew it because the spine is in. Anyway, can you draw?
Excuse me.
Oh, yes, I will. In the meantime, draw evaporation, condensation, and precipitation.
I'll just do a mountain. Can you give me a brown piece?
There you go.
Thank you.
You have a chance to do it in training.
Okay, I'm gonna start with this C. The out. No, I don't know if I will this. Okay, and I'm going to use a wet tissue. Oh, where did you put my tissue?
It's right behind you. It's the tissues right behind you.
I'm sorry, the ones who don't play. That's a better tissue. Now for the final part you were all expecting. The water. Wow. Basically like a look at that. Just look at it. Just looking at it makes me. Look at that. Look. It's becoming purple. No, it's becoming purple. I should move on. Outer blue is the finest. Does just run this. This is Japanese paper. Now it's wet. Still can't tear it. Okay, I tried, but it didn't tear. The sea is actually too big. I made the sea a bit too big. Oh man. Oh, I think I should just go with the mountain now. Yes. Wait. Condensation, evaporation, and then
Precipitation.
precipitation. Essentially, precipitation. I finally did my snowflake.
Oh, good. You want to share it? Go on and share it then. Share it with everyone. Look at Kashi snowflake they did. Wow, isn't that lovely?
Finally.
6 points. Yeah. Lovely. Okay, carry on, because and then we do this. Okay, carry on. So you've got evaporation, condensation, and precipitation.
Oh yeah, did you know snowflakes are unique? One snowflake, if you see one snowflake and it melts, you'll never see the exact same again.
Just like okay, go on then.
And the snowflake and really fun.
Yeah, go on. Oh, this is Kashi snowflake precipitating. What?
No, I just like only for drawing out on.
It's really precipitating. See if we can show that. So it's really okay. Lovely. Well done. You got your snowflake. Oops. You got your snowflake. Can't just have too much water. And now you're just ready to do your precipitation, and then you're done. You're done.
Yes, I guess. And so I'm going to do the outline of the cloud, because the cloud is actually nothing.
Yeah, just one last
And
one.
then,
I will. One last one. I'll just wait. And then that, yeah.
this is the way, which is I made a triangle and it couldn't it's a rectangle paper, but I made it into a triangle like that, and I cut this off. Then condensation.
Where's evaporation?
Evaporation, condensation, and then precipitation.
So have you drawn the rain and snow?
Yeah, I'll just do this. Yep.
Okay, so you've done a water cycle. Okay, and then we'll say thank you to the English speakers.
Thank you.
Good job, Rose. Well done. Okay, okay. Don't.
Without
I will. Thanks. Okay, now. Go. Yeah. 是不是方正方形？对，
方形就是
方形，非方形。
嗯，
这个是三
三角形，
这个是
又是个三角形，还是个三，还是个三角形。
OK，也
嗯，我比如不是，而我就画这得画这个我忘了怎么。我的
我们有蒸
蒸汽
蒸发
蒸发
还有
就
解，
凝结
还有沉淀。
沉淀
沉淀是下雨
下雨什么
下雪下雪是降水
降水。哎，妈妈，
是
妈妈，I see snowflake down
是
down 写了 snowflake
是雨架下是雨架
snowflake down there down there
雨架雪，你说雨架雪
雨架雪冰雹
蒸发降水
It's I think it's fine. Yeah, it is. Sound really.
见看看打开打开
嗯，好吧，很不好看。哦，麦克风。
哎漂亮
I'll try you could do.
看看三角形
三角形，三角形，然后，然后，
哎
I could do.
看
Okay, this. 对，现在我在剪形状，然后就会变成雪滴或什么的。好了，这样，这个是嗯，
啊，不看，看不见。
好啦，打开的时刻了。我
有有有，哇，好漂亮，漂亮。对
这个地方是
，OK，好的。我说谢谢大家。
谢谢大家，再见。